Gonna be doing a all-star coaster of my Homelight. It's been like a couple months, or more than a couple. Here's the information on it. 25cc family. You can see that. Modified has a Ryobi muffler, Ryobi backplate. And it's getting it ready for, because my foresight over there, the primer bulb just went, so I gotta see if this thing will run. And there's red ants right where I'm standing. Ouch, Jesus! It should probably move. Onward, where there's no ants, and as the baby mosquitoes don't eat me alive, that'd be nice. Alright, so it still primes. Let's give it a try. Put it in my foot. And it has a lot of compression. Alright. And the testing it. Good enough. So you have y'all. Co-start. This video will probably be up a week after I record this. That's today, 9th, I think. Alright, I'll see y'all later.